This is one question from the chapter circle. It says O is the center of the circle with radius 5. O is the center and the radius is given as 5 centimeter. Further, it says that T is a point such that OT is equal to 13 centimeter. T is a point on the exterior of the circle and this length is given as 13 centimeter. Further, it says that OT is intersect OT. This is OT intersect the circle at point E, and E is the point of contact for the tangent AB, right? It says AB is a tangent to the circle. So this is given as a tangent here. Now next they are asking to get the length of AB only. As I can see, we have to find the length of AB, and further information says that TP and TQ are two tangents drawn from the same exterior point. Now, the first thing we will do here is that we know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Now, look into this triangle. We know that this angle will be 90 degree here. So further, we know that it's a right angle triangle, and we know the length of hypotenuse as 13 and the per base or one of the leg as 5 centimeter, right? These are 5 and 13. So therefore, the third side has to be 12, as you should know that 5, 12 and 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. So I can say this is 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. That is PA. Next, what we are going to do is, since PA and AE are again tangent from same exterior point, I'm going to take the length of say PA as X. If I take length of PA as X, this is also going to be X only. So now you see the whole length here is 12. One more time, this whole thing is given as 12 centimeter and this is X. So what will be the length of AT? Has to be 12 minus X. Right. So this is 12 minus X here. And further, you know that this length OT is given as 13 centimeters. So this is radius, right? As you can see, this is radius. So this is going to be 5 centimeter. So if this is 5 and this is 5 and this whole thing is how much? 13. So I can say that this will be how much? That is 13 minus 5, and 13 minus 5 is 8. All right. So we got these lengths here. And now let me write down these things. We can say that first of all, I used PA is equal to AE, PA is equal to AE as X tangent from same exterior point. And I said ET we got as 13 minus 5 centimeter, that is 8 centimeter. Further, what I used here, yes, ATB, the length of AT I got as 12 minus X. These lengths we got. In this now we will consider this triangle. Look into. We are going to consider this triangle as we are focused on finding the length of X, because if we get the length of AE, we can get the length of AB. So here again, I'm going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So the triangle considered is triangle AET. One more time, you should know that radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. So this is 90. So will be this. This angle is going to be 90 here. This angle is going to be 90 here. And the reason is radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So I can say that angle AET is equal to 90 degree. And the reason you will be writing as the radius is perpendicular to the tangent, is perpendicular to the tangent, right, at the point of contact. Now in this triangle, I'm going to apply Pythagoras theorem, which is say sum of the squares of other two sides is equal to square of the hypotenuse. That means if I write 80, 80 is going to be the hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So 80 square is equal to AE square plus AT square. So 80, which is 12 minus X whole square, AE, which I can see from the figure is X square, and ET, That's length is 8. Now, applying a plus a minus b whole square, a square is, that is 12 square 144, minus 2 times a into b is 24x plus x square. On the other side, we have x square and 8 square as 64. So I can cancel x square and x square. And you see, if I transpose 64 to the left, so it's going to be, if I subtract 4 minus 4, 0, and 14 minus 6, which is 8, and keeping 12, 24x on the other side. So that means x is equal to 80 over 24, and this can be reduced. Now, on reducing, what we are getting, 8 10 times and 8 3 times. So we got the length of x here, right? X we got. Now check that since these two triangles are also congruent, right? Or you may say that by the same reason, here also, like, first of all, there are two ways. One is that these two triangles can be written congruent, and therefore the length of these two lengths will be equal, right? That's one way of doing. What you can say that since AE is equal to EB, so, and AE is this, so both of them will be 10 over 3. And what we have to get, the length was AB, has to be twice of this, and twice of this is how much? 20 over 3. So that's how we will get the length of AB.